Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Hidden Fee Hunter. If you're new in the USA, whether you're a student, an immigrant, or even a young professional, one of the most important things you need is a good credit score. Without it, renting an apartment, buying a car, or even getting a cell phone plan can be super expensive, the presenter said with seriousness. The good news is you don't have to wait for years. With the right strategies, you can build your credit score much faster, the presenter added encouragingly. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 proven hacks to build your credit score quickly in the USA, the presenter said excitedly. The first and most powerful hack is paying your bills on time, the presenter explained instructively. They warned that payment history makes up 35% of your FICO score. That means if you miss even one payment, your score could drop by 50 to 100 points instantly.